Hi there guys, welcome back to another video. This video is starting off a little bit different. I thought I'd make a new outro because the old one was the old setup to the van and didn't have the artwork, it wasn't as low, but ended up getting myself stuck. So this should be quite an experience. No idea how I'm going to get out of here, so I think I might set you up and you can watch. Oh, that's not working. This is not what I expected to be doing. The van's back there. I'm going to walk back, get changed because I'm not really in the right clothing for this. Get me a few bits of wood and what have you, and hopefully I can use the wood to get me out of that. So yeah, not quite what I expected to be doing, but there we go. I will do these stupid things. Well, the next clever idea, when I got some wood, when I got the car, and see if I can drive up on the wood, see if that'll help. Why have I done this? Well, that wood idea didn't work, so done a little bit of googling, and apparently if you use blankets, or in my case tracky bottoms, wrap it like around the wheel, through the wheel, it helps give it traction. I mean, I don't know, worth a try. So yeah, let's try it. Well, none of those ideas worked. Just getting deeper, more mud. Tried the trouser trick, but all it did was rip them up. The wood's not working. I have no idea what I'm going to do. I think I might have to go buy some tow straps and use the Audi to get this out. Well, none of that seems to be working, so I've called the people I can try and call. Back to who's this? A mate of mine can come and help me about 4:30. That's who that was there, and possibly help me, but the time now is 12:30 and he can't come in to at least 4:30, so try a few more ideas. Got this piece of wood. Basically what you do, you strap it to the wheel like that, obviously on the front, and that should possibly get it out. So we're going to cut this piece of wood just a bit bigger than the wheel. I've got some other bits of wood to spacer it away so I don't rip the wings off. Got enough issues going on about ripping body panels off, and see if I can make that work. Did not quite expect to be making a video like this today. Oh, supposed to be doing that oil seal. In fact, there it is right there. Why did I take a picture down here? What an absolute... Well, this is a little contraption I've made. I'll put a few more screws in it. But the idea of it is, goes on the wheel like that and strap it up, and then as the wheel goes, hopefully this digs into the ground. I don't know, it's an idea. So I'm going to make the other one, get them strapped on the wheels, and then you can see hopefully this worked really well. Well, this is where we've got to. I am absolutely filthy, but got that on both sides, and hopefully that's going to do something. So only one way to find out. Well, that was a little bit of a fail. still sat over there, unable to move her, and I've got no way of getting her out other than somebody with a 4x4 pulling me out. No way. So she's gonna have to stay there while I come up with a new idea. I've tried everything I can think of, been on Google, been on YouTube, tried all their tricks, none of them work. So doesn't help she's lowered. I know that's probably gonna have a big part to do with it, but never mind. See you later. I have got a friend who said he was going to come later once he's finished work, but he doesn't finish work till 4:30, and it gets dark at 5, so she might be staying there for a while. Yay! I'll just get back to you once I know something, really, because at the minute I'm completely out of ideas. So yay, see you in a bit. Well, a little bit of good news has just happened. A mate of mine's just turned up. Get on, Greg, get on, boy. As you've probably seen from that Instagram story, Greg came down to help. Fair play to the lad. Didn't manage to get any further. We managed to get out of the ditch, but the tow ropes that we had kept snapping. They're not strong enough, and yeah, we didn't really get anywhere. The inside of my door is peppered with mud. Inside of my van, I forgot to close the sliding door, all over my roof. Yeah, I had no idea how I'm getting out of this. This is ridiculous. Anyway, catch you in a bit. Well, it is hours later. Oh, that's bright. I have got a friend coming now who's got some actual tow ropes and whatnot, so we're going to try again. The ratcheting straps that I took didn't work, so while I'm waiting, I'm going to give this lot a bit of a clean, I think. Wish me luck, because I definitely need it. Right, I don't know how much you can see, but we are out. That's where we was. In fact, you know what? I'm going to show you. This is all the trails are getting out, and we were stuck just here. The camera's not focusing too well.
How much ground clearance you got, mate?
About this much.
Oh, there we are. That's probably your sump.
There we go. There's my sump. So that's how much ground clearance I've got. Well, that much.
Up to his nuts.
So this is Matt. Matt's got a T4 as well. It'll be coming on the channel soon. He managed to get me out with his, Astra. Of all things, his Astra. So fair play. He come with a tow rope, dragged me straight out, and yeah, it left my marks. Thank you very much to Matt and his Astra. Like I said, his van will be on the channel soon. He is slowly but surely making it, slowly being the main word. Anyway, I'm going to get back, because as you can see, it's dark now, and it wasn't when we started this. So catch you when I get back home. And there's now a new day. Don't quite know how much I filmed last night. To be honest, I just wanted to get the van back out of the mud and back, because I still had to go work at 3 o'clock in the morning. So I just kind of got it dealt with, but we'll go over that in a bit. So pleased I got the van out. It was a bit of a laugh, to be fair. We did have a laugh doing it, but just want to look at the aftermath. I mean, I literally have a massive lump of mud just chilling on my driveway. It just fell off from somewhere, and the mud is everywhere. All up the side of the window. I mean, I legit just have mud. I mean, that's the back of my van, and there's mud up here. Up on the back door, all in the wheels, in the wheel up. Look at that, thick inside there. I mean, that's the bit I'm more upset about, actually inside my door. I mean, look at that. It's actually inside my door. It's on the curtains. Don't seem to have any on the wood though. I've got it all over the floor, but that's because of the stuff I was carrying. I did have a big lump of mud just sat just on the seat here. I don't think there's any more. I did have that window open at one point, and there was bits of mud just flying in. As you've probably seen in part of the video, I did have my head out the window and got flicked in the face. And I think that was basically why I got mud inside. and then stupidly I left the sliding door open. I mean, inside the wheel arch, I'm not quite sure how well you're able to see that, but it's thick with mud in there. In fact, you can even see it, look, it's just hanging down at the bottom. Jesus Christ. All the way along the seals. I'm going to probably have to take these wheels off, because when I was driving it to work, it's obviously there's a lot of weight on the wheels that shouldn't be there, and it was just wasn't a fun drive. But we got our back, and it's all obviously me getting in and out and everybody else that came to help. It's absolutely everywhere. I am going to have to get rid of all my little contraptions that I made and the clothes that I ripped doing it. Oh, look at the towing eyelet. Well, I'm going to be honest, that was actually quite fun yesterday. Obviously it wasn't fun getting stuck. I think in total I was stuck there for, I think it was like 7 hours. Yeah, not quite what I wanted to do. Just wanted to go down there and take some pictures, but it was a lot wetter than I thought, and as I let off the handbrake, I kept my foot on the foot brake, let off the handbrake, it just nudged back a little bit. There's a little bit of a hill there, it just nudged back a little bit and slid, and then that was game over then. I just got stuck. Not ever doing any type of off-roading, I was a little bit unsure of how to get out of it. Kept going back, trying to get out of the rut that I was making, and just making things worse really. But live and learn. But I just want to say, look at that, just a big lump of wood just sat on the footwell, just on the inside there. I have a lot of cleaning to do in here, but luckily enough none of it went on the wood, because I would be a bit pissed off. Just want to say a massive thank you to Greg. He came out, I messaged him, I did do a video with him, done a van tour with him. Messaged him, he finished work, he came down and had a look, he tried his best, bless him. We literally had 4 ratchet straps and every one of them snapped, so that didn't work, but thank you very much for your help. Also want to say thank you to Matt. Messaged him, he was at work at the time, and told him what was going on. Once he finished work, he went back and got an actual tow rope, got me straight out. Could not be any more thankful. Matt will be on the channel soon. He bought a T4 not too long ago, well, about a year or so ago, and he's slowly been getting it ready. So expect to see him on a van tour video very soon. But I just want to thank both of them very, very, very much for coming out. I just wanted to put a proper ending on this video, because that video was never supposed to happen, and I just wanted to put a bit of context to it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, hopefully you had a bit of a laugh. I mean, it was quite funny, it was a stupid rookie mistake for me. Live and learn. Now I've got to try and get all the mud out of my subframe and make this thing look clean again. So thank you very much guys. Like I said, thank you very much to all of you guys for your support. I think the next video will be that oil seal. Be a couple of days now because work's a bit busy for the next few days, but I need to get that done. That was actually meant to be yesterday's job. I never actually got around to doing that because obviously I got stuck. So yeah, tis what tis. I'm gonna get myself gone, get this cleaned. I really don't want to be cleaning this again. We only cleaned it on the weekend. The video before this one, that was literally filmed 2 days ago. So I'm now cleaning the van again. But I mean, this is the most this van's been cleaned in the last 6 months, and it's been cleaned twice in the space of like a week. Never mind, I'm gonna get myself gone. Thank you very much for watching guys. If you like this video, please give it a great big thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, go hit that subscribe button. Take it easy guys.